Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
VidClip review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this offer called VidClip. So this is the VidClip review, and right now you are not on the sales page. You are watching this machine using which I make money on the internet with the help of a software. Okay, so in case you are interested in making money on autopilot without doing anything using this machine and the computer and the software, then keep watching the video till the end and I'll explain how this is going to work. So coming back to the sales page of VidClip, here it says create jaw-dropping TikTok reels and short videos for any niche in 2 minutes. Be the first to experience the power of creating stunning TikTok reels and shorts video easily using this cutting-edge technology. Create unlimited TikTok reels, shorts videos, done for you templates in popular niches, effortlessly customizable with the drag and drop feature. Create mobile optimized link in bio website, 1 year plan for TikTok reels and shorts content ideas. VidClip works for all niches, full HD 4K resolutions, get up to 60% more traffic leads and sales, high quality animation, commercial license included. Let me play a video here so that you can see this video, how this is going to work. And I guess you will be able to open everything, in this PowerPoint, and then select your template, and you can add everything in that template, images, template, or this text. So let's watch the video for a couple of minutes and then I will be right back. Alright, so I guess that explains everything, how to customize, change all the details and then export it, and then you have seen how it will look like as a vertical video. Okay, now this offer is good for those people who are creating these kind of TikTok videos, Instagram reels, or maybe your YouTube shorts. So you either have to be a freelancer or some influencer or some business, because you can use these short videos for your marketing purposes as well. You may go and run some Facebook ads, because Facebook allows you to run video ads for 10 seconds long, and you can find your purpose. How will you use these videos in you can use this in your personal projects as well, or you can create these videos for your clients and you can charge them some money, right? Now this is not for newbies, because again when you come on the sales page, you will be able to play these videos and watch them. So you will find the link of the sales page below my YouTube video somewhere here. So go below my YouTube video, in the description it says grab VidClip copy here, click on that link, and that link will take you to the sample page, or the sales page, sorry. And on the sales page you can see these sample videos. Play them all in your free time and check them one by one. this is what you will be getting. There are a couple of OTOs as well, which we'll talk about in a moment. Let's talk about how do you get access and what's the price. Price is 18.20 for a front end. And what is this VidClip? So I have told you this is not a software or something. It is simply the templates, package of templates which you will be getting, and you will need PowerPoint for Windows to edit them. What is included in the VidClip? Please be advised, just go and read everything here. What is my license? Again, read everything here. How can I edit this? So again, you go and read everything. Okay, you need to have PowerPoint 2013 or above. Can you guarantee that I can create video in 2 minutes? Well, it's entirely up to you, right? How tech savvy you are, or how quickly you learn how to edit and export. So it might even take less than 2 minutes if you are tech savvy. Are there any one-time options? Yes. Our first upsell is VidClip Pro, which is priced at $37 and provides exclusive access to additional templates with a commercialized. So you will be getting more templates in $37. And these templates and assets are unique, helping you create standout videos and graphics. Second upsell is the Lee Video Bundle, which includes 4 of our top selling products at more than 60% discount, blah and blah. Okay, could you explain me to the process? You will be receiving an email on the with the instructions how to go and access your customer members area. Does audio included in the package? No, there's no audio included, but we can provide you with a direct link to the audio creators so you can obtain it separately. What's the refund policy? No refund policy. I'm telling you. Don't say what they say here. I am telling you there's no refund policy. Only buy this if you want this. Otherwise, do not buy. No refunds. How do I contact the support? You can contact them on the website support.rootpixel.net, right? Cool offer. So VidClip is good for those people who are freelancers, businesses, or some social media influencers. If you have the need of these vertical videos and templates, go and buy it. You will find the link below my video. In case if you're a newbie, these videos will not help you with anything. Only they may help you with killing some time. Okay. But as a newbie, if you want to make money on the internet without even making or trying to edit the videos, then I have shown you the machine in the beginning. That was the machine right here, you see. So this is a virtual machine, and then this is a currency graph. So we make money with Forex trading. Now, if you come below my video, there are 2 links below the video. The number 1 is make money on autopilot with Forex thingy, and second is make money with traffic Jarvis. Let's talk about the first one first. So make money on autopilot with Forex thingy. Now, Forex trading is, again, I have shown you what happens here. This is the currency graph. Okay, currency graph means that we have these currencies in the world such as Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, and many more. Okay, concept is pretty simple. You buy low and you sell high. So you buy low, you sell high, you buy low, you sell high, you buy low, you sell high, you buy low, you sell high. You see. Now, if you try to do this, manually, you need to be an expert, right? We are not asking you to become some expert because you will not be doing this at all. Come on come below the video and click on the first link in the description. Then come on this page, enter your name and email address, click on allow the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Watch 2 videos there to understand what this method is all about. I can't make you understand in 5 minutes. So you have to go on this page of the syndicate after entering the information. There are 2 videos you have to watch to understand what this method is all about. How does it work? Because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly, and you have to do nothing because I will be managing all of this for you on your behalf. I'll be managing your accounts. I will be setting up the virtual machine. I will be setting up the graph. I will be setting up the software. I will be giving the settings to the software, and then the software will be working automatically as per the given settings. Okay. Now again, you do not have to go through any training, no nothing, and that is why I will be keeping 40% profits. Remember the word 40% profits. Profit mean if this system doesn't make money, then I don't get 40% and you don't get 60%. If the system makes money, then you get 60% and I get 40%. Okay, so we only get paid, you and me, if we make profits, and we will make profits because we are making profits. Okay, again, you want to know more, fill up the form and check out all the details on the sales page. Watch those 2 videos. After that, if you want to get started, you can contact me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can contact me on Skype. Do not contact me on Skype before watching the video till the end. There are 2 videos on the sales page of Syndicate. If you have not seen those 2 videos till the end, do not contact me. I will block you if you waste my time. Second link says here, make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis is going to teach you exactly what I'm doing right now. In case you want to make money on YouTube by making these reviews which I'm making, or you want to get your YouTube channel monetized, because when you are watching this YouTube video right now, in this video you have seen some ads. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, because my YouTube channel is monetized. So again, I have made some money when you have seen this video without even selling anything. Now, if you want to make money on YouTube without even selling anything, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and you will get them with the help of Traffic Jarvis in 2 weeks only, okay? So in case you want to monetize your channel, do affiliate marketing, grow your email list, or replicate exactly what I'm doing here on YouTube, then go and get Traffic Jarvis. The difference between, massive difference, okay? Massive difference between the first option and the second option is that first option is totally on autopilot, where you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. In Traffic Jarvis, you have to work a lot like a labor, okay? You have to work on YouTube, make videos. I come on YouTube every single day without any holiday. So you can't, no, not everybody can do what I am doing, okay? If you have the caliber, stamina, patience, and the perseverance, come on YouTube and make money. Everything makes money if you are willing to work, okay? But I am giving you two options. You can either do both or one of them, depending on your situation. If you do not want to work and you still want to make money with the machine or with the software, check out the first one here. This does work. Both methods which I'm talking about, both are working. This is for people, the syndicate is for people who do not want to work, who are lazy, but they still want to make money, 60% profits, okay? And then people who can make YouTube videos and want to work manually like me, then you can get Traffic Jarvis. I am making YouTube videos because I have time. If you have time, you can come and make YouTube videos as well, okay? So VidClip is good for people who know what they're doing, in case you want to use these vertical videos in your business, social media profile, or wherever. If you need these videos, go and get them. But if your end goal is only to make money on the internet, then check out these two links here and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell thingy, and now I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending one email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training. And this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.